Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we've got a great product for you. If you are somebody who carries medical items with you, maybe you have diabetes or something similar, then you are probably used to getting all your equipment, all your needles, all your syringes, all your glucose strips, all your testers, all that stuff, and throwing it in a bag like this and putting it in your luggage. It's not a great idea, right? It doesn't look very professional. Things get lost, they fall out, and if you ever get inspected, people are questioning why you have so many needles, syringes, and glucose meters. But this comes to us from Medxonthego, and it is a professional, very nice, handy dandy, they got red and black, carrying case just for that. Let's open it up and I'll show you how convenient and how stylish this really is. Now in this case, I did put 2 syringes. These are just can be used for pretty much anything, frankly. I've used them for testosterone. My wife has used them for fertility treatment. My brother has used them for diabetes. So that sort of syringe, very commonplace, and I put mine right here. Also, there's a little handy dandy carrying compartment. In this case, I have your meter for testing your blood sugar, which is very helpful if you're a diabetic individual. You've got your glucose strips right here in this pocket. And we've got another zipper pocket here, but I've got another glucose meter as well. So tons of little pockets, and I've got additional syringes here. This is a great carrying case. It has just any number, just a ton of little zipper pockets. You've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 main pockets on the thing, as well as inside individual pockets as well. This one I consider more of a male carrying case, as well as the one that's maybe a little bit more female, a little more stylish. Now, something nice about these is, I mean, look at the quality on this, right? Beautiful. I would expect this to be like $100. It's not $100, folks. It's way less than that. I try not to say exact prices because prices do change and things like that, but it's like a third of that. And this is the same quality and stylings as something $100, $120 handbag that you would buy at the department store. What's nice about it, it does say Medxonthego. It says all the information here. So when you're going through, say, security, you're going through a metal detector, whatever it is, you're going into a courthouse, wherever you're going, and somebody wants to inspect it, they see it as a medical bag, and they can look inside and clearly see that you're using it for such. So you just open it up. You'll see all of your medical apparatus, and it makes perfect sense what you're doing with it. So yeah, this is a common sense, very fantastic little item, reasonably priced. And I don't know how well you can see it on screen, but just look at the quality, right? You can tell that this thing is fantastic. Now, the stainless steel hooks here, the fact that it does have a removable shoulder strap, as well as just for carrying like this. You can pretty much put anything in here. You know, if I'm doing testosterone or supplements or anything like that, I can keep it all in one bag. If my wife's doing fertility, she can do it all in one bag. My brother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law all have diabetes, and they could put all of their items in one bag as well. You know, if you're a cancer patient, there's a lot of reasons you may have a variety of medical equipment that you want to carry with you, and you want to look like you're not just smuggling something weird. Like, why do you have so many syringes in a plastic bag? This makes more sense. It's just a smart decision on your part. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below. You're going to want to click that link. You're going to want to check it out. Also, leave me a comment below if this is an interesting item to you, if we should do more videos like this. And if you're interested in buying it, our partners like Medxonthego often want to know which of our viewers are interested in this kind of product to see if it meets what your needs are. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Go ahead and pick one of these up. I think you're going to like it. Stylish, sophisticated, very nice. We've got the black and the red, and just go to their website. They've got all sorts of masks. They've got great medical type gear. Go check them out. Great prices, great high quality equipment. You're gonna like them. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. We have new videos how often? All the time. Adios, amigos.